Jesus Manuel Menegarza for RVing Travel Adventures. I'm at home. I'm not RVing right now, but I just had to fend for myself and cook some chow while my wife is out of town. She's always out of town. She's always traveling somewhere. She's always busy. She always has something better to do than make me dinner. Of course, I prefer my own cooking to my wife's cooking. Just saying, she's a vegetarian, and I like what? I like meat. So let me just show you, let me turn around the camera and show you my dinner plate. And I haven't even made the sides yet. I just got the main course that I cooked right now. And my Ninja Foodi. Let me turn around the camera. So there I am. There's my plate of ribs. They came out pretty good. Pretty much fall off the bone. Usual stuff. Can't complain about these. I did a rub on them. I had some rub that I bought at the old store in the neighborhood. But then I added a little bit extra garlic just because I like a little garlic. And again, I made it in my what? I made it in my Ninja Foodi. My Ninja Foodi. Let me cover the top here. My Ninja Foodi, and here I am in my home kitchen. Again, what do you think of my chow? Would you come to my house for some chow like this? Plus some French fries. I'm going to make some seasoned French fries next. And that'll be my vegetable. Hope you like this video. Again, this is Jesus Manuel Menegarza for RVing Travel Adventures. I'm currently getting ready to munch on these ribs. Most of it's bones, like as you very well know. I did put a rub. I might add some of my favorite Stubbs barbecue sauce. Who knows? Maybe not. I think meat by itself is pretty good. I used to live in Lockhart, Texas, the barbecue capital of Texas. And I remember having a conversation with the pitmaster, and they said, hey, if you need to put barbecue sauce on meat, something's wrong with the barbecue. And they used to do some fantastic barbecue at Black's, at Chisholm Trail, at Smitty's, etc., all the various, and of course, Kreitz's. What do you think? And of course, once in a while, I would go to down the road and check out some of the other places that had barbecue. One place in Smithville that's now out of business for the local sheep herders had mutton barbecue. Very tasty. That was back about 10, 15 years ago. Hope you're doing fantastic. This has been Jesus Manuel Menegarza. Let me turn around the camera. Thanks for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Again, I just made some pork ribs in my Ninja Foodi. A rather simple process for myself. I really like them. I basically put a rub on them. I might add some barbecue sauce, but right now they taste pretty good. And I'm going to probably have some fries, some seasoned fries with it. And again, I'll be preparing that in my Ninja Foodi. Hope you like this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them below. I would greatly appreciate it. Maybe even share your favorite Ninja Foodi meat recipe. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, leave your kind and friendly and professional comments below. Abajo. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the bell for future notifications. Again, I'm not camping. It's been raining all day. It rained yesterday, and I was planning to go camping in a few days next week, but it's going to be raining, storming, the usual Texas weather. Hope you're having better luck than I am. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave your kind and friendly comments below. Abajo. Muchos gracias. From Fort Worth, Texas. Let me take a little taste of these ribs. Let me see if I can find one that's relatively tasty. Again, this is my rib. Little tiny baby rib here. Got plenty of meat on it. Let me take a little bite. That's actually quite tasty. Very tender inside and a little bit crisp on the outside, just like I like it. It's a little bit rude of me chewing while I'm talking, but gracias. Adios.